Busy night in the weather department. Lots to watch.
And that includes locally heavy thunderstorms.
Yeah.
They've developed through the afternoon, and if you got caught into one of these cells, they were very, very scary. So before we even get to Irene, let's take a quick look at Doppler Max 11 radar. I've still got one cell out here in Hampton County, currently under warning just for a few more minutes. You can see it's clearly starting to fade away and probably will not be an issue for much longer. From this perspective, though, you can see some of the lightning that was part of that cell earlier as it worked its way into Jasper and Hampton County, now raining itself out. Not much more to worry about there, though we did see some locally heavy rainfall in a couple of spots. Every place you see the green, that's up to about an inch of precipitation. And closer in, Savannah got missed. Not a bit here in the Savannah area, but down through Richmond Hill, out across Tybee, and of course, along US 80, there was some pretty heavy rainfall and some very gusty winds in those locations. Across the country, in fact, lots of showers and thunderstorms, mainly across the southern tier of states, not too much to the north, unless you're in the northern plains where they had some severe weather earlier. We had some hail reports real close at hand, mainly across our low country counties. Now, FutureMax says things will settle down for the night. We're not going to have much more, but tomorrow afternoon, look how more showers and thunderstorms try to pop up. We'll watch and see how those develop as we go through the night. It's all depending on what this boundary does, and it will continue to stay pretty much stationary for the next couple of days. Area of low pressure weakening, and then look to the south. Well, there she is. Hurricane Irene, which could be Category 3, even Category 4 by the time we get to the middle part of the week. Blossoming now with a convective shield. The actual center of circulation is right about there, just right along the Dominican Republic coast, and drifting west-northwest currently. In fact, here are the current stats. Category 2 storm with a 100-mile-an-hour winds. Pressure has dropped to 980 millibars, moving west-northwest, now officially at 11 miles an hour. And will take this track across the Bahamas, becoming a Category 3 storm on Wednesday, passing Florida. Thursday, becoming Category 4, going past Cape Canaveral, then perhaps making landfall just north of Myrtle Beach, perhaps right at the North Carolina-South Carolina state line Wednesday evening. That keeps it away from Savannah, about 100 miles away from Savannah. If you need more information or want to continually get updates, go through the app stores and get your mobile weather app on your smartphone. That's the right and the easiest way to do it, and that is free. Right now, we had 96 for a high today, record high this afternoon, 100 nowhere close to that, of course, and no precipitation to report. We're more than 6 inches below normal. Check our current temperature, 78 degrees, relative humidity 82%. The winds are currently calm and should stay quiet for most of the night. Watch for some patchy fog and rain areas, and any storms ending after 2 a.m. 20% chance of precipitation, we'll say. 74 should be the low for tonight. Then for tomorrow, partly sunny to partly cloudy skies, 91 in the afternoon high, east wind 48, heat index right around 100. Check for the next 3 days, 89 for Wednesday, Thursday, 30 and 40% chance of precipitation, lows in the 70s. Then this would be the period of time that Irene would affect us with wind and rain, probably Friday, Saturday. Look at the highs only in the upper 80s, back to the lower 90s as we get toward the end of the forecast period. Again, focusing on the weekend, we'll be watching Irene with our WTOC smartphones. Scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms, 87 on Saturday, 90 on Sunday. Now, with severe weather in the area, want to make sure you always have your weather radio, of course, and we have another opportunity for you to pick up a weather radio. We sold out so quickly in Rincon. We're making a return visit, and it's still on. Thursday morning, note the special time, 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. We'll be there with the SkyTrack weather team, happy to program your weather radios for free. You buy them from Kroger. Don't forget your batteries. We'll take care of it. Now listen to what Big John says. Don't let down your guard. But things look like they're developing positively for us with regards to Irene.
Very good news there. I'd like to watch Irene from a great distance.
Say good night, Irene.
Good Irene, good night.
Don't sing.
I'm sorry. Okay, we'll
Neither
stop
one
that.
of us.
We'll stop now. Pat will come in and sing for us later, and dance and do all that fun
Yes.
stuff. Well, they are all